Dear friends, lecture 2, we have seen two random variables. One is xi and another random variable is n. That compound random variable is Sn. That probability generating function Sn, that theorem states P of s be the probability generating function of xi, G of s be the probability generating function of n, H of s be the probability generating function of Sn, then H of s equal to G into P of s. So this application is this problem number 2. Let n be a Poisson random variable with parameter a. Let xi be identically independent distributed geometric random variables. Determine the probability generating function of S capital N, mean and variance. So that lecture 2 that xi be the random variable. Here xi, that random variable is named as geometric random variables. In problem part, second variable is random variable is n. Here second random variable n be a Poisson random variable. Using this to find Sn and determine the probability generating function of Sn, mean and variance. Okay. So solution part, this one is that theorem part, probability generating function of Sn. Let Sn be the probability generating function of Si, G of s be the probability generating function of n. Then that combined is H of s with the probability generating function of Sn. Then the result is H of s equal to G into P of s. Solution of this part is, let n be the Poisson random variable with parameter a. So here Poisson random variable, here Poisson distribution is probability of x equal to x e power minus lambda power x by n factorial. So probability of x equal to x e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So here probability of x equal to x. Done. So here parameter is a. Therefore, by that theorem, probability of generating function Sn, this one is distribution, probability of n equal to gn equal to e power minus a power n by n factorial. Here x position is a. Therefore, this one is distribution. So probability generating function of n is equal to g of s. So here already we found probability generating function of the Poisson distribution is e power lambda into s minus a. So here e power a into s minus a. This one is probability generating function of the Poisson random variable. Already we proved in previous part. Let xi be the IID geometric variable. So here geometric variable means you write geometric distribution. What is geometric distribution? Probability of xi equal to k equal to qkp. Poisson distribution is probability of x equal to x e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. Like geometric progression PDF is probability of xi equal to k equal to qkp. K equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. Therefore, probability generating function of xi is equal to p of x. So here probability generating function of xi equal to p of x, geometric random variable. Already we found this term equal to p by 1 minus qx in first part of this chapter. Then so here probability generating function of xi, probability generating function of n. Then by probability generating function of Sn theorem, this term equal to h of s equal to g into p of s. Our definition, g of s is e power a into s minus 1. So here s comes here, yes. Here s in the place of p of s. Therefore this part s in the place of, you substitute p of s. This term equal to e power a into p of s minus 1 using 2. Using 3, the p of x value is p by 1 minus q of x minus 1 using 3. Therefore, this term equal to e power a, and LCM of this part p minus 1 minus qs by 1 minus qs. Then this term equal to e power a p minus 1 minus or minus plus qs by 1 minus qs. So we know that the p plus q equal to 1. P plus q equal to 1. Therefore, p minus 1 is p minus 1 is minus q plus qs. So rearranging this one is qs minus q. Then aq is this power part, aq is taken common. Therefore e power aq into s minus 1 by 1 minus qs. Therefore probability density function of Sn equal to h of s equal to e power aq s minus 1 by 1 minus qs. So this one is h of s. Therefore first part of this problem over. First part is find the probability density function of Sn. Next part is to find mean of Sn. What is mean of Sn formula? H dash of 1. And the third part is variance of Sn. Variance of Sn equal to h double dash of 1 plus h dash of 1 minus h dash of 1 whole square. Therefore we have already found h of s. So first to find h dash of s. H dash of s means here this part is differentiating with respect to s. So differentiating with respect to s, h dash of s equal to, so that e power differentiation is e power x differentiation is e power x. Therefore e power x, you write this term as it is. Then differentiating the function of function, here aq is constant, but this is of the form u by v. Then quotient rule of differentiation is v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v by v square. Therefore this part you write as it is in previous step. So here only differentiation part is this term d by ds of s minus 1, d by ds of 1 minus qs. So differentiating with respect to s, this part is 1, this part is minus q. On simplifying this part, e power aq into s minus 1, 1 minus qx into aq into 1 minus qs plus qs minus q by 1 minus qs whole square. So here cancelling qs, 1 minus q is p. Therefore next step is e power aq s minus 1 minus qx into aq into 1 minus q by 1 minus qx whole square. 1 minus q equal to p, since p plus q equal to 1. So this one is h dash of s. Our mean formula h dash of 1. Therefore equation 5, you put s equal to 1, h dash of 1 equal to s in the place of 1, here s in the place of 1. So s in the place of 1, 1 minus 1 e power 0, 0 index, that is 1. So here s equal to 1, a p q by 1 minus q. Since p plus q equal to 1, 1 minus q equal to p square. Therefore we get a p q by p square. Cancelling p, a q by p. Therefore mean of Sn equal to a q by p. This one is equation number 6. From 5, again from 5, h dash of s equal to this part. So our variance formula needs h double dash of s. Therefore differentiating with respect to s, this one is h dash of s. So this term comes numerator by negative index a pq into 1 minus qs power minus 2. Therefore here this one is u, this one is v. Here we apply product rule of differentiation, u into d by dx of v, v into d by dx of u. U in the place of v in the place of apq minus 1 minus qs power minus 2, and u in the place of e power aq s minus 1 by 1 minus qs. So here only differentiation part is this part and this part. Therefore d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 like. So here apq is constant. This one is minus 2 into 1 minus qs power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. After that you differentiating the function of function. One differentiation is 0, minus qs differentiation is minus q. Then the second term, the differentiation part is this one. So here e power x differentiation is already this part is differentiated in equation number 5. You substitute e power aq 1 minus qs. After that you get this apq by 1 minus qs square. This part is differentiated in equation number 5. You write as it is. That's why here I wrote that using 5. Therefore this term is e power aq s minus 1 by 1 minus qs. Applying negative index formula, apq squared by 1 minus qs cube. So this minus or minus plus. Therefore second term is, you write this term is negative index. this APQ multiplied with APQ, that is A squared B squared Q squared, by negative index, this one is also square, this one is also square, this one is 1 minus QS power 4. This one is equation 7. But from 7, so this one is H double dash of S. Our variance formula needs H double dash of 1. Therefore, here S is replaced by 1 in this term. Here S is replaced by 1. This one is 1 minus 1, 0. So, this total part is 0, e power 0. Here also you put S equal to 1. This one is 1 minus Q S cube. This one is S equal to 1. This one is e power 0. Here also you put S equal to 1. We get to this term. By 0 index, a power 0 equal to 1. Here e power 0 equal to 1. Therefore, at the same time 1 minus q equal to 1, since p plus q equal to 1. Therefore, this term is p cube, this one is p power 4. Cancelling p terms, then h double dash of 1 equal to 2a q squared by p squared plus a squared q squared by p squared. But variance of Sn formula already I explained. How dash of 1 plus h double dash of 1 plus h dash of 1 minus h dash of 1 whole square. H double dash of 1 in equation 8 you substitute these two terms. Then h dash of 1 is in equation number 6 a cube by p. Therefore, the h dash of 1 in the place of a cube by p. H dash of 1 equal to a cube by b squared. Then applying this one is index formula. This term, cancelling this term, then 2a q squared by p squared plus a q by p. Then here, this term you multiplying numerator and denominator by p. Therefore, this one is apq by p squared. After that, you take LCM p squared, 2a q squared apq. aq is this part, numerator part. aq is taken common. Then remaining part is 2q. So here aq is already taken p. Therefore, p in the place of 1 minus q, since p plus q equal to 1. Therefore, aq into 1 plus q by p squared. Therefore, probability density function of Sn equal to e power aq into s minus 1 by 1 minus qs. Then mean of Sn equal to h dash of 1 in equation 6 aq by p. Then variance of Sn, just now we found this term equal to aq into 1 plus q by p square. Here one random variable is xi geometric variable and n is Poisson random variable. So this from we found h of s. After that mean is h dash of 1 and variance equal to h double dash of 1 plus h dash of 1 minus h dash of 1 whole square. So next video you take xi is also Poisson random variable, n is also Poisson random variable with parameter with various parameters. Okay, we will meet on next video.